He's off the mark, he's away. That's a beautiful straight drive from Tendulkar.
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Straight Drive. I am Darpan and RK sir is with me. Today was sir confirmed victory turning to defeat.
Yes, confirmed victory turned into defeat by a confirmed plan.
Right.
It was a totally pre-planned victory.
Yes.
Whatever happened, though match was running out of the hand till 12th over,
Right.
but they did not move from their plan and it paid also. So total credit goes to Captain Dinesh Karthik and its management, who forced Captain Dhoni, cool Captain Dhoni, to change his game plan.
Yeah, definitely, because there was no Sunil Narine in between 1 to 10 overs. Then Sunil Narine came into attack at 11 over, and then suddenly after 12 over, the situation is changed suddenly, right?
But don't forget, Darpan, they had Varun Chakravarti
Right.
at over number 6 or 7.
Definitely, I want to say that they have two Sunil Narine.
And only single Sunil Narayan is very hard to handle.
Yeah, but you can see Sunil Narine is very dangerous after 10 overs. It is very difficult to hit Sunil Narine after 10 overs. So
That's
it creates a pressure on opposition.
And
And because of that, Dhoni lost his wicket
Yes.
and Kolkata Knight Riders won that battle.
when Dhoni observed the situation is running out of his hand,
Yeah.
and he has to face Sunil Narayan, he went behind Varun Chakravarti, and in that plan he misplayed that shot.
Right.
Otherwise, Dhoni doesn't play such kind of shots in over number 16.
But I feel Kedar Jadhav is also responsible for this defeat.
Not only Kedar Jadhav, Darpan, but Dhoni and all management is responsible for this defeat.
Yeah, definitely.
Since long, we have observed from here, from this room, that केदार जाधव अभी उतना जोरदार नहीं है. जाधव को जाने का वक्त आ गया है क्योंकि वो इतना जानदार नहीं है. Though because of most trusted person of
Dhoni.
cool Captain Dhoni,
Right.
he is pulling the Kedar Jadhav.
Yeah. And Kedar Jadhav is not effective in bowling
Also.
as well as in fielding.
So he is not recognized for his fielding,
Right.
and now he is not useful in bowling also.
Right.
So once upon a time there was another time when he was
Ball some
he was bowling 3 or 4 overs whenever needed.
with sidearm action.
Yes, but if the most important role of Kedar Jadhav is not able to play, then why is there? He is.
Yeah. And you have already said about Murli Vijay, and they dropped Murli Vijay after 2 or 3 defeat.
After suffering 3 defeats.
Yes.
Since before the first match, I was keeping saying that please remove this Murli Vijay, but they did not listen. One after second, after third, after 3 losses, they understood what we are saying is right. Now,
It's time for Kedar Jadhav.
to get out of the team.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So I think this may be the last season of
Kedar
Murli Vijay
Jadhav
and Kedar Jadhav.
Yeah, definitely. Because his fitness level is also not good.
Yes, it is a game of youth.
Yeah.
If you are at 40 and you can run like a youth, then you can stay in the team.
Yeah.
What Dhoni is doing.
Yeah.
But somehow Kedar Jadhav is not playing, Murli Vijay was not playing, and because of these 2 players over whom Dhoni trusted lot, and that's why Chennai Super King is suffering such big losses.
Yeah. And one more change we have seen today, that Dhoni dropped Piyush Chawla and Karan Sharma came into the team.
Yes.
And it was effective move.
It was effective move
by
and
MS Dhoni. He took 2 wickets.
yes, because Piyush Chawla is basically from Kolkata Knight Riders.
Right.
So each and every batsman know about Piyush Chawla's strategy.
Yeah.
So it was better to keep away from Kolkata Knight Riders as far as this match was concerned. Though they exactly did what should be done, but they must do something about Kedar Jadhav. Otherwise, they are already behind. They will go behind much.
We should talk about Rahul Tripathi. He made fabulous 81 runs in just 51 deliveries. Now Kolkata Knight Riders management have realized he is also an opener after getting defeat 3 to 4 matches.
Yes, Tripathi has changed the script of Dhoni also.
Yeah.
त्रिपाठी मीन्स 3 पाठ पढ़ने वाला. तो उन्होंने ऐसा पाठ पढ़ा और पढ़ाया that turned the table totally.
Yeah.
So Rahul Tripathi is a great asset for Kolkata Knight Riders.
Yeah.
And if one opener is contributing and another opener get out early, then the which played by another opener, that what exactly Rahul played.
Yeah. If we talk about Dinesh Karthik captaincy, he was fabulous.
Yes,
in
tremendous,
captaincy.
tremendous.
Yeah, but if we talk about his batting, no confidence has seen today in his batting.
So Dinesh Karthik is, as far as batting is concerned, he needs to improve so much. Otherwise, his captaincy is a plus point and his batting would become a minus point. So equally, there would be a loss for Kolkata Knight Riders.
Before saying goodbye to our viewers, what is your quick review for today's match?
Dinesh Karthik will have to do something about his batting. Knight Riders are on right track and Dhoni will have to do something for his middle order. Otherwise, Super Kings will be proved as a Super Flop Kings.
Yeah. This is all about of today's analysis. If you like our show, then just press the like button. And if you have not subscribed our channel, then just press the subscribe button. And thank you for watching our show. Goodbye.